Hi, my name is Sandra and welcome to ChibAmi Art. Today I'll show you how to crochet a frog applique. Let's start. For the crocheting I use the yarn of these parameters. Also I use a 3 mm crochet hook. Make 9 chains. Chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The frog is based on a crochet oval. Let's look at these two ovals. For the first oval I use the classic method. I insert my crochet hook into the top loop of chain. The result will be holes. For the second oval, I insert my crochet hook into the bottom loop of chain. The result is no holes. For my frog I use this method. Let's continue. We stopped at the second single crochet. Make the third single crochet, and make all 7 single crochets. Now make 3 single crochets in one stitch. Again the first single crochet, second single crochet, so make all 6 single crochets, and the last one increase. Optional step. I take a stitch marker. I like to use the contrast sewing thread. Also, I take a small crochet hook 1.3 and insert the marker in the last stitch. Round 2. Make 1 increase, first single crochet, second single crochet, and make all 6 single crochets. Make the first increase, and make all 3 increases. Again 6 single crochets, one increase, the second increase, almost make the last stitch and insert the marker. Round complete. Round 3. Make the first slip stitch, second slip stitch, next eye combination, 2 chains, three double crochets in one stitch, one chain, one slip stitch. Eye complete. Make 3 slip stitches, make again eye combination. And 15 slip stitches. Round complete. Pull out the marker. Cut off and pull out the yarn. I take a small crochet hook 1.3 mm. Insert the crochet hook in next stitch in the back loop only and pull out the yarn. Hide the end under stitches. The starting end also hide under stitches. Cut off the yarn. For the smile, I take black fine yarn about 10 centimeters. I find the third stitch between the eyes and find the center. Insert the crochet hook and pull out the yarn. Skip one stitch and pull out the yarn again. Below, find the center stitch. Insert the crochet hook and pull out the yarn on the back. Make a knot on the back. For the eyes, I take 2 pieces of black yarn. Insert the crochet hook under 2 chains and pull out the yarn. Next, insert crochet hook under 1 chain and pull out the yarn on the back. Repeat this for the second eye. Make knots on the back. Cut off the yarn. The frog applique is ready. The text pattern of this project and all needed materials you can find under the video. More crochet tutorials and amigurumi reviews for inspiration you can find in these videos. If you are interested in my work, you can subscribe to the channel and press like this video. I will be very happy. Thanks for watching, good luck and bye bye!